Hi everyone and welcome, Adrian here. Today I'm going to present you a combination of functions in Excel that will count dynamically the rows in any worksheet. Let's start. Let's suppose we have a table with two columns. Column A is going to contain the row number index. Column B with our to-do list. The to-do list can be extended. What you see on the screen is the effect of dragging a custom list. I will show you how to create your own in another video, so please stay tuned to my channel. For the row number index, first option will be to insert manually, starting from 1, 2. For dragging, I will need 2 consecutive numbers. I will select them and with the mouse I will drag until the end of the list. This works. Second option will be to have only one typed in the first row. Then I will select it. I will press this time Ctrl and hold it on my keyboard. Then I will drag using the mouse until the end of the list. This works too. The drawback here is if you need to insert another row in the middle of the list, there is no consistency in the row number index. We'll have to drag again. This is valid also for deletion of rows. You'll have to fix the row number index by dragging. Now let's imagine if this list is containing hundreds or even more entries. This works with dragging. It's not time efficient. All undo. Allow me to present you a solution to automatize the row number index dynamically by counting how many items do we have on B column, and for that we are going to use a combination of functions with sequence and counter. I'll go to the first row and I will type equal and the first letters of sequence formula. Then I will press tab to accept the sequence. And now I have the option to insert simply a number from the keyboard. Let's type 15 and I'll press enter. Observe that our list is spelled by sequence formula with 15 consecutive numbers. But still we don't have a link with the B column. For that I will erase the 15 number inserted manually and I will type the count A formula. Count A will number how many items non-blank we have on B column. I will press tab to accept the formula, and now I have the option to select all the entries from B column or more, or simply I can go to the B column header and select the entire column. This will ensure that no matter how many entries will be inserted in the future on B column, they will be counted by the nested formula count A. This time I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. You'll observe that sequence and count A spells 15 numbers consecutive on column A. This is because count A will insert also the header. To fix this, I'll go to the first row containing the formula and I will subtract 1 for the header. Pressing enter, you'll observe that the formula sequence and count A is complete. For those of you that do not have the sequence formula in your Excel, it may be an older version, there is an alternative. I'll present you the row function. I will use the same list, and for that I will type on the row number column equal, this time row formula. You'll see that this formula will return the row number index of a cell reference. This time is the cell reference where the row formula has been written. If I press tab and accept the formula and hit enter with no reference cell inserted between brackets, it will return the number 4. The list should start at 1. To fix this, I'll subtract using the same formula again, but this time I will insert a reference cell and I will use the next column on the same row, cell reference E4. Don't forget to block the reference using the shortcut on the keyboard F4. Pressed once, it will insert $sign before column and row of the cell reference. I will close the formula and I will press enter. The result will be 0. To fix this, I will add a 1 and I will hit enter. The only drawback here will be that I have to drag again the formula for each to-do list item. To fix this, there is a solution to transfer the second table and to format it from menu insert with the button table. Ensure first that you have selected one cell inside the second table before formatting it as a table. There is also a shortcut, Ctrl+T. I'll use the button and you'll observe that Excel will detect automatically the well-formed list. Well-formed lists are tables not interrupted by empty rows or columns. Because we have a header, I will leave the checkbox as is for my table has headers. Pressing OK. Now the second table is formatted as a table. And if I will go to the E column for the second to-do list and expand using the custom list dragging option, you'll observe that the formula will be extended on D column automatically. There is also consistency when you will insert a new row. You'll observe that both solution, sequence and count A, and row function will have automatically the new line inserted numbered. The difference here will be that the last row will not be numbered as long as the newly inserted line on B column will be empty. This is not valid for the second solution. The line can stay empty. The consistency is also ensured when we will delete rows. Let's compare the two solutions by looking at menu formulas and pressing Show Formulas button. You'll observe that on column A, sequence and count A solution will be inserted only in the first row of the to-do list. For the second solution, row function will be present in every line of the second to-do list. This was the solution for automatizing the row number index. You may use them starting from now and save time. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.